Welcome back. So today on this video, we are talking about your Whop account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you permanently delete or close down your Whop account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to permanently close down your Whop account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that it's easy to get distracted, and maybe you're going to build a community with Whop, but you got tied up in another project. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Whop account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Whop account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and permanently close down your Whop account, here on the bottom left, you're going to click on your username. Once you do that, you're going to see this drop-down menu, and once again, you want to click on your username. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see more information about your profile, but in order to permanently close down your account, click on this gear icon here on the top right. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this menu along the top, but you want to click on general. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see another menu here, but in order to permanently delete your Whop account, look towards the bottom. There's this button here called delete account. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this pop up. They do let you know that this is permanent. So if you close down your account, you're not going to be able to access any of the products or the data that's inside your Whop account. If you're okay with that, go ahead and click here in this bar and then just type in delete. Once you type in delete, you'll click on the delete account button. I'm not going to do that because I'm still using this Whop account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to permanently close down your Whop account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.